So I just want to show you what my makeup looks like once I put it on after doing my skincare for the night in the morning. Actually, it looks really, really good. I'm very happy with it, and I like the simplicity for the beginner. I'm sure as time goes on, you know me, I'll probably try a little more, but right now less is better. And I really like it. It didn't impact or make my makeup cake up or anything like that. So really liking this look, and I'm going to get ready to get out of here, and I'll keep it moving. Good morning. So I'm going to take you through the simple routine that I'm using for my face in the morning. I showed you my night routine, and I also mentioned in that video that I did for the night routine that I had been watching some different dermatologists online, and I want to actually give a shout out to the dermatologist that I'm using, that I'm following for this process. Her name is Dr. Sam Ellis. I'll put a link to her video below, but a lot of the steps that I used, I won't say I went exactly how she did it. I think I was very close, but a lot of the steps that I used for the night care routine, her video was anti-aging routine for beginners, and I'm a beginner. Like I told you, I have not really been very mindful about my skin. I've never really had any issues with my skin. When I was maybe 15, I had a little acne. It went away, and pretty much it's been treating me well. But because I'm getting older and I'm now seeing a little more wrinkles in different areas, I'm like, okay, you got to get it together. And also by being on this weight loss journey, you know, I'm trying to make sure that my skin stays hydrated, and realize that it's just as important to take care of your outer layer as you're trying to take care of your internal. You know, we've been focusing on getting more water to stay hydrated, not only for this weight loss, but it's very important for your skin. And we've been focusing on eating healthier, which also helps your skin. But one of the things I realized was I really was not taking the care of my body. I will show you one of my body care routines for the shower. I showed you what I did for the night, but it's Dr. Sam Ellis's routine, which is very simple. I think what attracted me to it was how simple it was. And for this morning, it's only 2 products. Great for me. I'm like, okay, I'm going to fly out today, so I'm going to actually be putting on some makeup later, and maybe I'll do another video where I show you how I apply my makeup. I'm still learning that process too. That's a process, and then learning what works for your skin. The first thing we're going to do is wet our skin. We're not going to use a cleanser again. We're just going to wet it with some water. So let me do that right quick. So I wet it with some water, and I'm just going to pat it dry, because I still want the actual water. I don't want to dry my skin. And you notice I wasn't rubbing it or anything. I'm just patting it and getting the excess water off and getting my crevices of the corner of my eyes. So then the next thing I'm going to do is, the first product is vitamin C, is Prequel. Now this is one of her products. I'm not sponsored by her or anything. She really, what I liked about her, she really wasn't just pushing her products. She was giving you a lot of different variety of products that you could use. In some of the videos I saw, that I watched, if you watched the video that I did last night, I had several different products, and I don't really think any of those were hers. But for the morning, for the 2-step routine, you're just gonna use the Prequel vitamin C. So I'm gonna go on and do that right quick. And you don't need a lot. It squirts out. It's kind of liquidy, so just make sure, you know, you're not holding your hand to the side, but you're gonna take that and just pat your skin dry. Pat it on. And I'm loving learning how to take care of me and pamper me. So I'm gonna put that on, and once it dries in, I'm gonna let that dry, and while it's drying in, the next thing she suggests is, if we had to just use 2 products in the morning, you would do the actual no cleanser. You would just wet your face with some water. Then you would go in with a sunscreen, and this is a called Purito sunscreen. And I'm gonna put all these products that I ordered from Amazon in the description box below. And this is a actual daily it's called Purito. It's Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen, and it actually is a SPF 50. And like I told you, I'm trusting by following a dermatologist. And of course, all of our skin is different. You have to learn what works for you. You might have to do some test areas on your face just to make sure this works for you. But I'm just following some of the things that she suggested to see if it'll work for me. And as I'm learning, I'm going to show you, and I guess I'll be the guinea pig and you'll see if it works for me. But this is the sunscreen. And I'm not exactly sure how much I need. And she did say that if you thought you could try to put it around your eyes, but depending on the sensitivity of your eyes, you know, on your eye, very as close to the eye as possible. On your neck, and your chest. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my chest and my neck. Like I said, because I'm learning and growing, I'm gonna take you on this journey with me, and we'll see what works and what doesn't work. But so far with this one, I can tell you last night, my skin, like I just said before, felt so much better. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup on, but I won't show you that today. I was going to give you a quick short, this is the skincare routine. I didn't want to make this video too long, but you saw my nighttime routine. If you didn't see that yet, check it out. This is the morning routine. Then also I did a shower routine. I'll upload that if I haven't done so already. Check that out. And that's the morning routine. Very simple, very easy. And again, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, I always say life is too short not to live, so let go whatever's making you stop. And I'm going to add to this and say, and add anything that will project you forward, that will propel you to your next journey in this life. You know, that's something that I'm enjoying being over 50. I'm enjoying learning new things. I'm enjoying how to add new things in, but I'm also enjoying how to let things go. So I'll talk to you later.